Okay, so taking pictures with your phone, using the equipment you have without spending a lot of money on a lot of expensive photography equipment, you can still get some great pictures just by using your phone. Everybody has them, everybody can learn to use them, and you can still get some great shots. There's two things that I look for, probably top of the list. And the first one is wait for the light. Or don't be lazy and get your butt out of bed and go get the light. What I mean by that is the best light that I like for taking the pictures is either the morning light or the evening light. When the sun is doing its thing and it gives a picture a certain pop. And that's one of my biggest things that I look for. The second one is just by taking the phone and just, if I'm taking a landscape picture of the sky, the clouds, whatnot, sometimes just tilting it just a little bit gives it just a little bit of an angle, and I've gotten a few great shots. Hope you like these. In this example, this is a picture taken a few hours after the morning light. As you can see, I have the angle there, but the sunlight just doesn't give it a pop. And here's an example of the bright picture that I took with the morning sunlight. See how the colors tend to pop a lot more? Also, I took the camera and just tilted it up just a hair to show the height of those trees and get those involved in the picture. Next, we're going to show you the examples of our pictures that we've taken without any filters. Hope you enjoy. Okay, I hope that helps out or encourages some of you all to go out there and take what you have, your phones, whatever else you can use. Get some great pictures along the way in your adventure. Hopefully I'll be making another video showing a few of the other techniques or items that I use most. One of them is the live focus on the Samsung 10 phone that I have. I love that shot, putting some color with the black and white. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for coming along.